Okay, bro, let's find someone who haven't eaten breakfast.
Hey, look, that's exactly the situation we're talking about. Let's go talk to her.
Let's go.
Hi, good morning po. Sorry to bother you. By the way, it is okay if I ask you questions?
Yeah, sure, go ahead.
Is that your breakfast?
Yeah, this is my breakfast that I usually eat every day, and I just had to take this kasi wala akong time of breakfast.
Totally understand that we fellow students, UC students, we noticed that the problems of different students, kaya gumawa kami ng supervisor different na magugustuhan nila.
Ano po yung naisip mo?
Parang ngayon, yung mga hindi pa nagbe-breakfast ngayon na pwede yung biscuit na i-introduce namin sa'yo na it's valid for, pwede siyang maka-full energy, ma-energize ka hanggang afternoon.
Is it usually like that? Biscuit or sometimes you don't even have time to eat a properly?
Honestly, yeah, sometimes wala naman akong time mag-cook dun sa bahay, kaya kinailangan ko na lang kumuha ng biscuit. Kailangan ko kasi habulin yung oras sa rotating.
That's exactly the problem we wanted to solve. A lot of students eat a proper breakfast because cooking takes too long. That's why we made this product so that you can grab and go and don't feel it.
So this is our homemade protein oatmeal. It has rolled oats, chia seed, nuts, and strawberries. And it actually tastes really good. Everything already mixed. So you just grab a spoon and you're good to go.
So it's actually, our product is high in protein and fiber, tsaka inaano ka din na itong product namin na pinipully energize ka na the whole hour. So not like other biscuit na kakain ka lang, tutututin ka na naman. So ito, mas maganda yung product namin kapag ano siya, while on your diet.
Actually sounds good. How much is it?
It's 49 pesos per cup regularly. But since you're a new customer, we give you a discount. It's only 39 pesos now.
Whoa, that's actually a good deal.
Also just as this strawberry is limited this week. So this is our last cup for today.
So yung next batch ng strawberry na namin will be available next week. So kung gusto mo siya ng fresh ngayon, you have the chance to order right now.
Well, this is the last one? Sige,
Yes.
I'll take it.
Thank you. If you'd like other flavors, you can message us. We can customize this based on what you like.
Sure, I will message you guys anytime.
Thank you so much.